automatically, adjusting perfectly. Bring into your mind the thought of a long hallway with many doors. Behind each door lies the ultimate version of you, highlighting different traits. As you slowly walk along this corridor, you see each door is labeled with a positive trait. Organized, ambitious, brave, honest, happy, skillful, fearless. You continue walking until you come to the door labeled confident. Open this door and walk through. On the other side of the door, you find that you are experiencing feeling poised and self-assured. Here, you are the ultimate version of yourself that is full of confidence. See yourself very clearly, feeling courageous. Each movement you make is self-assured. Notice what you look like. What are you wearing? And how are you holding yourself? The more details you can see, the better. Become aware of what you are doing, seeing where you are. What kind of things are you accomplishing? Make the colors vivid and bright. Now see others around you, listening intently as you talk and enjoying what you are saying. Fully understanding your words, you are speaking with ease and grace. The words you choose are authentic to your true self and your life mission. When others speak to you, you listen with great respect. See yourself clearly, fearless, doing exactly